Should your business be running paid social ads? The short answer is yes. With so many social media channels and platforms, in this video we will break down the benefits of paid social. These can include captivating an audience, helping to achieve business goals, creating a loyal following, and increasing brand authority. Increase brand awareness. Seeing is believing, right? Your dream customers and clients won't suddenly become aware of your business overnight. Paid social can increase brand awareness pretty instantaneously. It shows your business to online users who regularly wouldn't be exposed to it. With clever targeting, ads can become visible to your audience across their social networks with just a simple button click. Targeting. Paid social strategy nails down targeting to a T. It allows marketers to hone in on who their audience really is. Think of location, job title, experience, and company size as a few examples. This means that your ads will only be shown to those fitting the lengthy list of criteria that you choose. You should think about excluding existing clients, competitors, and partners so they don't have an opportunity to click on your ads and consequently use up your ad campaign budget. In-depth reporting and analytics. The majority of social platforms that you create paid ads for will provide access to in-depth campaign statistics. These can include engagement rate, click-through rate, average spend, and the audience type who are most interested in your ads. Information like this can lead to improved and better optimised paid social campaigns with more specified audience targeting. Cost-effective advertising. Paid social platforms offer you some control over your budget. For example, based on a 30-day single image ad paid social campaign, LinkedIn requires a minimum of £240. This is equal to the £8 a day minimum spend. But this is normal due to paid social requiring a budget to spend on clicks. Drive leads and increase conversion rates. This one is pretty obvious, I hope. What is the whole point of running paid social ads? It's to put your business in front of the people who matter most, your target audience. An average of 28% of people online discover new products through social media ads. So implementing paid social opens the door to new audiences and potential clients. This gives you an opportunity to build a loyal, strong relationship between you and your audience. Here's a tip. Make sure that the location that someone ends up on after clicking your ad is designed to sell and convert. Don't be pushy, but a landing page like that has to be designed with the next steps for someone to take and appropriate instruction. Raw specialises in paid search strategy to translate paid ads into driven increased revenue. Speak to one of our specialists today.